Hi everyone, my name is Juliana and I'm going to be talking to you about Island Launch today. It is our newest product. So what is Island Launch? When I was making my company, it was very hard to keep up with all of the assets I had to make. And as a graphic designer and as someone that's in that industry, it was relatively straightforward for me to figure out what it is that I had to make. However, other business owners that either don't come from a graphic design or marketing background might not know what actually needs to come together. And so they start racking up all these fees. And the concept behind Island Launch is to make it easy so new company owners to have something that will help them create assets. We're going to be running through a quick demo of what Island Launch is going to be like when you're actually onboarded and ready to set up your business on the platform. The business that I'm going to come up with today, just for the sake of this demo, is Pools Space Coast. This is to showcase that this can really be for any kind of company. You'll see how easy it is. So you fill out the survey. It asks you like all these straightforward questions. We're going to have a onboarding voice agent that will actually be able to speak to you. That way you don't have to type it all in. So that's a new feature that we're going to be working on. And then in addition to that, once you're onboarded, you'll never have to answer those questions again. As you can see, once you're onboarded and once we fill out that survey, it takes you to your dashboard. And then this is where you can request all of your assets. Once you press start, it sends it off to our designer. We used make.com for the back end to actually make all of these assets. So let's start off looking at the logo concept. So as you can see, it is a very clear logo. For the second part of the demo, we are going to look at the AI brand voice kit. It takes about anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes for it to create your asset, and it is all based on the information that you input. So we highly encourage everyone to make it very specific. Really excited for this launch. We can't wait to hear what you guys have to say and what you guys think about it. But yeah, cheers.